So second theorem here, equation of a line passing through two given points here. Okay, so this is a line here passing through a point A and B. So the coordinate x1, y1, z1, coordinate of B x2, y2, z2 here. P is a arbitrary point here, it's a coordinate x, y, z here. Hence A bar is a position vector of the point A. A bar is equal to A bar here. OB bar equal to B bar. So this is the position vector of the point B, and OP bar is equal to R bar. So this is a position vector of the point P here. Therefore, that A bar and B bar be the position vector of two points A and B respectively that are lying on a line here. R bar be the position vector of an arbitrary point P, X, Y, Z here. Okay. Here point P lies on the line AB if and only if AP and AB are collinear. The point P lies on a line AB if and only if and only if AP and AB are collinear. AP and the vector AB are collinear. Okay. So therefore you know that suppose A bar and B bar are collinear. A bar, B bar are collinear or parallel if and only if A bar is equal to lambda into B bar or B bar is equal to lambda into the vector A bar here. Okay, two vectors are collinear or parallel if A bar equal to lambda B bar or B bar equal to lambda A bar here. Here AP and AB are collinear. Hence AP is equal to the vector AP is equal to lambda into the vector AB here. You are using this result here. Then AP can be written as OP minus OA. OP minus of the vector OA here is equal to lambda into AB can be written as OB minus OA here. Okay, AP is OP minus OA, AB is OB minus OA. From the diagram here, so just observe OP. OP is equal to R bar. So write here R bar minus OA bar is A bar here. The vector A bar. Lambda into OB is a B bar here. And OA is a bar. Okay, so OP is R bar, OA is A bar, OP is a B bar here. So use here. Take a minus A bar right hand side here. So R bar is equal to take a minus A bar right hand side here become plus A bar plus lambda into bracket B bar minus of the vector A bar here. So this is the vector equation of the line passing through two points here, which is a vector equation of a line. Okay, here point P lies on the line here if and only if AP and AB are collinear. And using this that here AP is equal to lambda into AB, AP is equal to OP minus OA, and AB is OB minus OA. Then OP is R bar, OA is A bar, OB is a B bar. So just use here, take minus A bar right, the right hand side here, we get this result. So this is the vector equation of the line here. Okay. So next on the Cartesian form here. In this case, the vector A bar is equal to x1I plus y1j plus z1k. x1I plus y1j plus z1k, and the b bar is equal to the vector b bar is equal to x2I plus y2j plus z2k. x2I plus y2j plus z2k, and r bar is equal to, and the vector r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So use this equation here in this equation. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Therefore 1 becomes equation 1 becomes left side r bar is there, r bar is this vector. So xi plus yj plus zk is equal to a bar is this vector here. So x1I plus y1j plus z1k. Bracket complete here. Then a lambda here. So right here lambda into bracket b bar minus of a bar. This vector minus this vector here. Yes, x2 minus x1I here. x2 minus of x1I plus y2 minus y1. Okay. So y2 minus of y1 j plus z2 minus of z1k. Okay. So using this equation here. Then this is equal to, take this lambda inside the bracket. In between these two plus sign is there. So you have to write here plus sign. You have to write plus here. So x1 I plus y1 j plus z1 k here. Then write here plus sign. Take this lambda inside the bracket here. Lambda into x2 minus x1 I plus lambda into y2 minus of y1 j plus, then lambda into bracket z2 minus of z1 k. Then this is equal to, here from these two terms here, I is a common. You can remove this bracket here. Here this bracket is not necessary here. So take from these two terms I common factor x1 plus lambda into bracket x2 minus x1 into I into I. Then from this term and this term, j is a common factor. So write here plus sign y1 plus lambda into bracket y2 minus of y1 into j. From this term and this term, k is a common factor here. So plus z1 plus lambda into bracket z2 minus of z1 into k. Then equating I, j, k coefficients here I coefficient is x, here I coefficient is this one here. So x minus of x is equal to x1 plus lambda into bracket x2 minus of x1 here. Here j coefficient is y. Here j coefficient is this one. So y is equal to y1 plus lambda into bracket y2 minus of y1 here. Here k coefficient is z here. So z is equal to, here k coefficient is this one. So z1 plus lambda into bracket z2 minus of z1 here. Take x1 left side here, y1 left hand side, z1 left hand side here. So x minus of x1 is equal to lambda into x2 minus of x1. Then y minus of y1 is equal to lambda into y2 minus of y1 here. Similarly, z minus of z1 is equal to lambda into bracket z2 minus of z1 here. Then cross multiplier x minus x1 divided by x2 minus of x1 is equal to lambda. Again cross multiplier y minus of y1 divided by y2 minus of y1 is equal to lambda. Then take z2 minus z1 this side here. So z minus of z1 divided by z2 minus of z1 is equal to lambda. Hence each ratio is a lambda here. Therefore equity here, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus of x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus of z1 here. So which is the Cartesian equation of the line here, which is a Cartesian form. Of a line. So this is a vector form here and this is a Cartesian form. So in examination you have to write both form here. Both are very important here and this carries 5 marks here. Previous theorem as well as this theorem, both are very important theorem for the part of examination. So therefore these are the formulas here. We already proved the equation of the line passing through a point x1, y1, z1 whose the position vector is a bar. A bar is the position vector of this point here and the b bar is the given vector whose the direction ratios are a, b, c is a vector form r bar equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar. This is a vector form. Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c. If L, M and R the direction cosines of the line vector b bar, then the equation of the line is this here. If A, B, C are the direction ratios, use this formula. L, M and R direction cosines, this is the equation of the line here. Next, second one, equation of the line passing through 2 points here, A and B, whose position vectors are a bar and b bar is a vector form r bar equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar and a Cartesian form x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1 here. So these are the important formulas here. So find the vector equation for the line passing to the point of 5 to minus 4 and which is parallel to a vector 3i plus 2j minus 4k. Here the line passing to a point and parallel to the vector here. Okay, the line passing to a point here. So given point is 5 to minus 4 and parallel to the vector b bar. Here b bar is 3i plus 2j minus of 8k like this. This is the first theorem here. Okay. So here a bar is equal to 5i plus 2j minus 4k and the vector b bar is equal to 3i plus 2j minus of 8k. Therefore, vector equation of the line vector equation of the line is r bar is equal to the vector a bar plus lambda into the vector b bar here. Hence r bar is equal to vector a bar is 5y plus 2j minus of 4k plus lambda into the vector b bar is this one here. So 3 into I plus 2j minus of 8k. So this is the vector equation of the line. So next find the Cartesian equation of the line here. Same, passing the point 5 to minus 4 parallel to the given vector. So in this case here x1 y1 z1 is equal to 5 2 minus 4 here. 5 2 minus 4 here. Okay. And the direction ratios of a given vector or direction ratios of this given vector are a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 8 here. A value 3, b value 2, c value is minus of 8 here. Yes, a Cartesian equation of the line. Therefore, Cartesian equation of the line is x minus x1 divided by a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 divided by c. Hence x minus of x1 value is 5 divided by a value is 3 is equal to y minus y1 is 2 here divided by b value is 2 here, that is equal to z minus z1 is minus 4 here, minus of minus becomes plus 4 divided by c value is minus of 8 here. So this is the Cartesian equation of the line passing through a point here 5 2 minus 4 parallel to a given vector 3i plus 2j minus 8 whose direction ratios are 3 2 and minus 8 here.